Here are highlights from 26 of Jakob Nielsen's AI music videos from 2025. The clips are shown in chronological order, from January to December, so you can see how fast AI video improved throughout the year. Enjoy!
We're standing at the edge where old meets new. The handcrafted past fades as AI shines through. UX is shifting, the times have come to embrace the tools or we'll be undone.
5 AIs took the challenge one day to guess where Jakob Nielsen used to stay. They analyzed his writing style, but most guesses were off by a mile.
AI's rising fast, gonna paint the sky. Pixels and prototypes, kiss them goodbye. But AI can't read a boardroom, won't strategize the prize. So grab the wheel, make those bots harmonize.
I got myself an AI Pro to see how far that it could go. Deep research plans, trips and studies too. Does things that humans used to do. For research task, it shows its might with follow-ups to get things right. What time frame should I look into? What kind of sources work for you? You feed it more, it learns so deep. Reads the web while we're asleep. Synthetic data, big and wide. That's how we make this pony ride. All the AI products at the start were a trippy ride as they went with illusions, like on mushrooms inside. But the tide has now turned as we watch the decline. AI keeps growing in might as it learns to refine.
Jakob Nielsen's got 10 rules, you see, to make your website work easily. Number 6, we'll sing it out loud. Recognition beats the recall crowd. Don't make folks remember what's in store. Show them options they can't ignore. My memory's short, it fades away. Give me some cues so I can play.
Encoding's old and weary plight. We struggled deep into the night, but now we speak and swiftly see. AI crafts code magically. Just say your wish, the new refrain, and AI swiftly ends our pain. No longer bound by syntax dread. Just speak the vibe that's in your head.
Vibe coding crazy, creating the craze. Users unleashed, making apps in a blaze. Domain dudes dancing, designs they decree. AI assisting, users hold the key. Designers dizzy, their days feel done. Priesthood fallen, funny freedoms won. AI's like juice that runs every line, but also a mirror for culture inside. Leaders best hurry and open their eyes, 'cause culture gets coded in every AI. Like presses and power that lit up the age. AI is a tool, but it's also a stage.
Oh, I built a toy with AI flair, a UX hero with little hair. Clicked it out with a wild-eyed grin, then brought it to life with a jolt from Kling.
If the loading's slow, it can be a pain. Woke up this morning with a website to view, a simple little sign up, thought I'd sail right through. But the form was a monster, a soul-killing sight, filled with required fields that just ain't right. Well, the AI robots are coming on strong, been doing our old jobs all day long. If you want to stay ahead of that pack, it's your human agency that can't lack. So don't you stand around and wait to be the master of your own fate. Take charge of your projects and see them to the end. On your own initiative you can depend. Initiate the action, that's step number one. Decide what needs doing when the day is done. Lead the charge forward with a rockin' beat. These three components make your agency complete. When users start, they need a guide with simple pathways open wide. A label button clear and bright to navigate with all their might. But experts find these steps a bore. They've seen the guided tour before. They hate the clicks, they hate the wait. They need a faster open gate.
Smart insights that guide your every click. UX Tigers leads the way. Jakob Nielsen's wisdom shines so bright, bridging minds with design insights, guiding every user journey day or night. Explore AI in UX heuristics and trends, top articles to help your design ascend. All aboard the UX Tigers Express.
Screens and buttons are starting to fade. A new kind of user experience is made. My trusty old wireframe is saying so long. The visual clicking will soon be all gone. I used to design the panels and the chrome, gave every single feature a digital home. Now I'm an orchestrator, yeah, you dig the new sound, making agents behave all over the town. Give folks a task and watch them go. That's how you make your products flow. Testing simple, that's the truth. Fix what hurts and see the proof. First define what's going wrong. Evidence makes your case real strong. Gather data from every source. Set your study on the right course. We're in the insights business, finding what is real. Testing is the only way to close the deal. Users hold the answers that we need to know. In the insights business, watch your profits grow.
Jacob hit that magic mark. 25,000, what a spark. Each subscriber's worth so much. LinkedIn can't match that golden touch. Direct to the inbox, that's where we belong. Email's been here all along. Still going strong, outlasting every platform, every trend. The newsletter channel that will never end.
Forward deployed, we're breaking new ground, learning what customers need, getting around. From prototype mess to a product of sound, that's how the best solutions are found. Leave your sunny office in Silicon Valley, go to freezing Denmark, down some dark alley. Learn how the real world works in the cold. That's a true product, insights are gold. Echo teams know what's gone wrong. Delta teams code all day long. Quick prototypes, not too strong, but they show where we belong. The hours running through the night, you wonder if it's going right. 20 hours and still no sign. Is it working? Will it be fine? Slow AI, baby, takes its time tonight. We wait for hours till we see the light. Need progress bars and breadcrumbs on the road. Help users carry that cognitive load.
Could not command. Oh, touch and drag and pinch with flowing motion. The interface responds with such devotion. Direct manipulation makes things clear, and complex commands need no words, need not interfere.
You can make them look like they're alive. Let users click and watch them dive into an error message there that tells them why they can't go where, or gray them out in muted tone so folks can see, believe alone. A faded hint of what could be when all the stars align for me. Oh, the disable button blues are here to stay. Test and prove which method leads the way. When features sleep but still appear inside, the muted colors help to guide you right.
When you are young, your mind runs free. Fluid intelligence is the key. You solve new problems with fresh eyes. Creative power is your prize. Past 50, things begin to slow. Old neurons don't have that glow. When I was 20, I was quick. Now coming up with stuff's a trick. Combine human insight with silicon speed. The symbiosis is the only thing we need. I type my prompt into the busy box and find a winner that blows off your socks.
No directions, we're explorers now, reaching for the stars. We take a bow. Latent space waits to unfold stories that have never been told. Serendipity strikes like a thief in the dark. Unexpected turns a light up my spark. Quantity floods till quality sings. No room for doubt on untamed wings. Forget the friction, feel the flow. Embrace the things you didn't know. Surprise yourself along the way. Tomorrow starts again today.
You can watch the full version of all these songs on Jakob Nielsen's UX Tigers YouTube channel. Improvements were very strong in avatar animation in 2025, but the B-roll and dance breaks also got substantially better. The music itself improved a little, but AI songs were already great by late 2024, so they didn't step up as much this year. One urgent need for 2026 is better alignment between the image and audio streams, beyond simple lip sync. For example, the K-pop dance sequences from the song Creation by Discovery, which was our last highlights clip, feature strong individual dance moves that closely resemble those of human K-pop idols. But the way these moves are combined into choreography doesn't match the music. Please like my video and subscribe to Jakob Nielsen's newsletter on UX Tigers to receive his latest insights in your inbox every week. You can't trust social media to always show you Jakob's new posts, so good old email is the only way to get everything.